So how to add a new payee in HSBC mobile banking. So to add a new payee, if you open up the HSBC app, you'll just want to click right here where it says pay someone in the UK. And then once you've done that, it'll pull you through to this page here. And to add a new payee, you just want to click right here. Then once you've done that, you just need to enter the sort code, account number, and the account name of the new payee that you want to add. Then once you've added the details, click check payee details, and it will pull you through to this page here. And if it's a match, you'll be notified right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and transfer the money, you can continue by filling out the form. But if you just simply wanted to save the payee, if you click back, you'll see your new payee is saved right in your contact list. And it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.